everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how something as relaxing and creative as crochet can also become a source of income, today's video is for you. We're going to talk about how to actually sell your crochet creations and the most profitable crochet products you can make. First, recognize that what you make has value. People will pay for handmade, unique, and custom crochet pieces. What feels like fun for you is special and rare for others. Online platforms: Etsy, Shopify, Amazon Handmade, social media shops. In person: local craft fairs, pop-up markets, consignment in boutiques, workshops. Custom orders: taking commissions for weddings, baby showers, gifts. Don't undersell yourself. Consider cost of yarn and materials, time spent, hourly wage, skill level and complexity, market demand. A good formula is cost of materials plus hours worked, hourly rate, times profit margin. Create a simple, memorable brand name. Use bright, clean photos of your work. Lifestyle shots sell better than flat product photos. Add size, care instructions, and customization options in your product descriptions. Check if you need a small business license. Keep track of taxes and understand shipping options and packaging. Starting small is fine. Just be professional from the beginning. Here are some of the most profitable crochet products: beanies, bucket hats, headbands, fingerless gloves, mittens, scarves, lightweight summer tops and bralettes, bags and purses, tote bags, crossbody, market bags, blankets and throws, pillow covers, coasters, placemats, table runners, wall hangings and plant holders, macrame style crochet, baby blankets, booties, hats, cardigans, amigurumi, stuffed animals and dolls, teething rings and rattles, pet sweaters, toys like crochet bones, balls, beds or blankets, Christmas ornaments, stockings, Halloween costumes or accessories, wedding favors, bridal shawls, keychains, bookmarks, small giftables, crochet earrings, chokers and bracelets, hair clips and scrunchies, custom festival or cosplay pieces. Offer themed sets, matching hats and scarves, nursery bundles, or gift boxes. Create excitement by offering exclusive designs for holidays or new seasons. Share behind-the-scenes videos, tutorials, time-lapses, and styling tips. TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are great for crochet exposure. Partner with photographers, baby shower planners, or even local stores for unique projects. Consider selling crochet patterns, ebooks, or video tutorials alongside your physical products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more craft and business tips, and comment below with your favorite crochet product to make, or the one you're most excited to start selling.